Do you sometimes feel your legs giving up on you? Like simple steps or climbing stairs take twice the effort? Weak legs after 60 are not just tiring, they can be dangerous, leading to falls, loss of independence, and even faster aging. Most seniors don't realize this weakness has a hidden cause inside the muscles, and that ignoring it makes the problem worse every single year. But here's the good news. A simple daily fix can strengthen your muscles, restore confidence, and keep you active. Stay with me till the end, because your health and independence are worth it. Comment your age below. I'd love to know who's watching. Weak legs are not just a normal part of aging, and that's the first truth every senior needs to hear. Many people believe losing strength after 60 is unavoidable, but that's simply not correct. When your legs start to feel weaker, it's not just getting older, it's your body signaling that something deeper is going wrong. Think about the little signs. Do you need to push off the armrest just to stand up from a chair? Do you sometimes feel unsteady or wobbly when you're walking across the room? Maybe stairs feel harder than before, or even carrying a bag of groceries seems heavier than it once did. Some seniors also notice cramps in their legs at night, forcing them awake with sharp pain. These are not minor inconveniences, they are red flags. Weak legs raise your risk of falling, and one serious fall can change your life overnight, with a broken hip or long hospital stay. Even worse, falls are one of the biggest reasons seniors lose independence too early. But here's what I want you to remember. You are not powerless. With your wisdom and experience, you deserve a stronger solution than just accepting weakness. There is a direct way to fight back against these changes, and it begins with the small choices you make every day. The solution doesn't require fancy equipment or extreme exercise. It starts with something as simple as what you feed your muscles. Stay with me, because in just a moment, I'll show you the exact daily support your muscles have been waiting for. Do you also notice any of these warning signs, like difficulty standing, walking, or nighttime cramps? Share your experience in the comments, because your story might help another senior watching. As we age, the body naturally changes, and one of the biggest changes happens in the muscles. Doctors call it sarcopenia, which simply means age-related muscle loss. But let me put this in plain words. Your muscles slowly shrink and weaken when they don't get the proper care and fuel they need. If nothing is done, seniors can lose up to 1% of their muscle strength every single year after the age of 60. That might not sound like much, but think about it. After 10 years, that's a 10% drop in strength, and it can make the difference between walking freely and needing a walker. Stay with me, because in just a moment I'll explain one of the hidden causes that makes this decline even worse. Now here's something most seniors don't realize. Weak legs are not always caused by lack of exercise. Sometimes, the real problem is inside your nutrition. Your muscles are like engines, and they need fuel to work properly. One of the most common hidden issues is magnesium deficiency. Seniors often absorb less magnesium because of digestion changes and common medications. Over time, this silent gap drains the strength out of your muscles without you even noticing. Here are the warning signs: frequent leg cramps, twitching, restless legs at night, daytime weakness, and even low energy throughout the day. If these sound familiar, you might be dealing with more than just normal aging. Do you ever wake up at night with painful leg cramps? Share your experience in the comments. It may sound small, but many seniors go through the same struggle. But here's the encouraging truth. Your muscles can respond at any age. Even in your 60s, 70s, or beyond, when you give your body the right fuel, it can rebuild strength and stability. This approach respects your wisdom and life experience, because it's not about forcing heavy workouts or extreme routines. It's about working with your body, not against it. And the key turning point is one simple mineral: magnesium. By restoring it naturally through your diet, you can reverse some of the weakness, protect your legs, and feel more confident in daily life. Stay with me, because in the next part, I'll show you exactly how magnesium works in your muscles and which foods can bring it back into your diet safely and naturally. Are you ready to learn how magnesium supports your muscles? Type "ready" in the comments if you're excited to know. Magnesium is one of the most powerful minerals for seniors, yet it is often overlooked. It controls more than 300 functions inside the body, and many of these directly affect how your muscles work. Without enough magnesium, your muscles cannot properly contract and relax. That's why cramps and weakness become so common after 60. Think of magnesium as the switch that keeps your muscles turning on and off smoothly. When the switch is missing, the system breaks down, leaving you with stiffness, shakiness, and even pain. But magnesium doesn't only support the muscles. It also protects the brain from stress, calms the nerves, and improves sleep. Better sleep means better muscle recovery, which is especially important as we get older. Have you ever noticed better sleep after eating healthier? Share your thoughts in the comments. Now, you may be wondering, where can I get magnesium naturally? The best news is you don't need special supplements if your diet already includes the right foods. Here are some of the richest natural sources: spinach and leafy greens, easy to add into omelets or salads; pumpkin seeds and almonds, a handful makes a powerful snack; beans and lentils, great for soups and stews; bananas, simple and senior-friendly. These are not exotic or expensive. They are everyday foods you may already enjoy. By adding them more often, you are literally feeding your muscles what they crave to stay strong. Which of these foods do you already eat? Spinach, seeds, beans, or bananas? Let me know in the comments. The real key is making magnesium a daily habit. It's not about one big meal. It's about small, consistent steps. For example, add spinach into your breakfast omelet. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds on top of your morning oatmeal. Carry a banana as a snack during the day. Use beans in a soup or salad at dinner. These simple choices, repeated daily, give your muscles the steady supply of magnesium they need to rebuild and stay active. You don't need heavy exercise or complicated plans. You only need to fuel your body consistently. And remember, this isn't just about legs, it's about your independence. Stronger muscles mean walking freely, climbing stairs safely, and enjoying life without fear. Stay with me, because in the next part, we'll connect this solution directly to your safety and independence. Would you try adding one of these foods every day for a week? Comment yes if you're ready to make the change. This is not just about weak legs, it's about independence. When muscles fail, daily tasks like climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or even standing from a chair can feel impossible. For many seniors, that's when the fear begins. The fear of losing freedom, of depending on others. But here's the truth. You still have control. What's the one activity you never want to lose the ability to do? Walking, cooking, or traveling? Comment below. Magnesium-rich foods are not just about nutrition. They are about freedom. Every handful of seeds, every bowl of beans, every plate of greens gives your muscles the power to keep you walking freely, lifting without fear, and living on your own terms. Imagine enjoying your favorite walk, cooking in your own kitchen, or holding your grandchild without hesitation. That is what strong muscles give you: dignity, safety, and independence. If you could gain more strength in just one area, legs, arms, or energy, what would you choose? If no action is taken, weak legs don't just make life difficult, they can shorten healthy years. Falls, fractures, and loss of mobility are some of the biggest risks after 60. But these risks are not destiny. They are preventable with the right choices today. The best part? Even at 70 or 80, it is never too late. Your body can rebuild strength when given the right fuel. By adding magnesium-rich foods and keeping your muscles active, you can protect your future, no matter your age. So the question is, will you take control today to secure your independence tomorrow? If you're ready to stay strong and independent, comment, "I choose strength." Magnesium is powerful, but food alone isn't enough. Your muscles must also be used to stay strong. Without movement, even well-fed muscles shrink. The good news is, you don't need heavy workouts. Gentle movement like light walking, simple chair exercises, or stretching can wake up your muscles and keep circulation flowing. Do you prefer walking, stretching, or simple chair exercises? Tell us in the comments. Here's something most people forget. Magnesium works better when your body is hydrated. Water helps transport minerals into the muscles and prevents cramps. Seniors often drink too little water, and that can silently weaken muscles. So keep a water bottle nearby and sip regularly. How many glasses of water do you usually drink per day? Be honest in the comments. Another hidden danger is processed foods. Sugary snacks, packaged meals, and too much soda drain your body of vital minerals, including magnesium. Over time, this speeds up muscle weakness. Replacing them with whole foods, nuts, seeds, beans, leafy greens protects your strength. Which snack do you find hardest to give up? Chips, sweets, or soda? Share below. Finally, sleep is your body's repair shop. During deep rest, muscles heal, rebuild, and absorb nutrients. Magnesium not only supports muscle strength, but also improves sleep quality, helping you rest deeply and wake up stronger. Do you sleep well at night, or do you often wake up tired? Share in the comments. Stay with me, because in the final part, I'll reveal how all these habits combine into a simple daily formula for lifelong strength. You won't want to miss it. Weak legs after 60 are not your destiny. Yes, muscles naturally change with age, but you have the power to protect and strengthen them. The solution is not complicated. By simply adding magnesium-rich foods to your daily meals, you give your muscles the fuel they need to stay active, balanced, and strong. Remember, your wisdom and experience deserve legs that carry you with confidence. You've earned the right to live with strength, freedom, and independence. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Have you ever felt leg weakness after 60? Share your story in the comments. I truly read everyone. And don't forget to subscribe so you never miss these weekly senior health tips. Stay strong, stay independent, and keep walking with confidence.